Alert system.
Maybe you taking much for the last time.